Alrighty, not sure if everybody can hear me through my helmet here, but this is the first vlog I'm trying with the new GoPro setup. So, gonna go down to Illinois and ride with my buddy George. I just got a Dyna 2. Head down there, ride. Don't have a helmet mount at all, as you can see, but just a fun ride, nothing special, but wanted to try it out. It's leather weather.
So hard to talk with sharing your mouth, dude.
Yeah, I know.
So.
It is hot as f out. I shouldn't have even wore black jeans. It feels so goddamn hot out. But George put a new tire on. I don't know where the hell that went right there. But put a new tire on. We're gonna take his Chevy van, load it up in here, go get the bead set, gas station. He doesn't have an air compressor. Ready?
Get them teeth. Yeah. I have the Ford one that has it, or I have just the Thablockhot tool. So, but either way. So, dude, I'm like for shit.
What was this place called?
I don't know. Oh, Horizon Farm.
Horizon Farms.
I don't know if this is actually it, though. I don't know if this racetrack is called. Dude, we'll go.
not all the way, and then literally just like move your head, and it'll get something. It'll make it move a little bit. Full cheeseburger.
Double cheese, that's all?
Yep, that's all.
Right here?
Yep. Fast as shit.
Huh?
Twisted tea?
Sounds for the dirty tea.
That's the same thing.
Same shit, right?
Yeah.
You got 2X or no?
2X. Holy, it's hot out here. Pigeon! What are you doing? Get the hell out. Oh my god!
I felt that right off.
Lost George and cut across 4 lanes to make a right turn. So now I'm just I'm waiting for him to come and get gas.
ass hurts, and I think I'm ready to go home. What? Is this an Amazon headlight or is this Moon's?
No, it's Amazon.
It's pretty bright, dude.
Does this shake around, by the way?
I don't think so.
Because when I'm riding by myself, like in the woods.
Well, I guess that'll do it for vlog number 1. First vlog ever. I didn't talk a ton, just because I didn't really know what to say or what to do. My ass hurts a lot, even though I've rode 16 hours straight. Today was fun. It's a good day. And it got a lot colder, which is actually nice. It felt really, really nice after it being so hot all day. Like, all day I was just sweating and sweating and sweating, like having like the hot flashes. But for now, I'm gonna head inside and maybe look over all this footage and whatnot and see how it looks, what I'm gonna change next, how I'm gonna edit this in the future, and see what else I can do to improve the quality or make it better. So, you already know, it's leather weather.